Is it not interesting to witness hypocrisy in action? Many of the loudest voices preaching democracy, the rule of law, and the so-called international rules-based order know very well that this is not how the world actually works. They understand, perhaps better than anyone, that this world is not governed by law. It is governed by power. Let me tell you something. It is naive to believe that the earth is simply divided into nearly 193 equal and sovereign countries, all operating under the same rules. That idea exists mostly in textbooks and official speeches. In reality, the world operates under something else entirely. It operates under spheres of influence. A sphere of influence is a phenomenon in which a dominant power designates a particular geographical region as its own domain. Within that domain, the power claims implicitly and explicitly the right to shape political outcomes, economic systems, and even cultural identities. And this is done regardless of the interest or consent of the people living in that area. Now, did you know that there is a doctrine in the United States called Monroe Doctrine, under which the United States claims the entire Americas, both North and South America, including countries such as Mexico, Brazil, Venezuela, and others, as its fierce sphere of influence? Now, consider what is happening in Venezuela today. Under the banner of democracy and human rights, actions are being taken that clearly violate the very international order they said to defend. If the so-called rules-based system were real, you would expect massive unified condemnation. But what do we see? What do we see instead? Silence, justification, selective outrage. And let's be honest, this is not new. We saw it in Iraq, we saw it in Libya, and now we are seeing it again in Venezuela. And it will happen again. Why not? Because a world governed by strength rather than law has no reason to stop. What is even more disturbing is how many individuals openly support these actions, not question them, not scrutinize them, support them. And that should concern all of us. Because what this signals is that independence and sovereignty, the idea that the country controls its own destiny, are steadily becoming obsolete. What we are witnessing is not a collection of independent states. What we are witnessing is the reality of an empire. And empires do what empires have